Hello and welcome to Cooking with Sharda. Today we are going to make potli samosa, and this is a different version of these samosas, and these are great party snacks. So let's learn how to make it. For this we will need, alright, so for the dough we are going to need about 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of oil, some ajwain, salt to taste and water. Okay, so for the filling, we will need 3 medium sizes of boiled mashed potatoes, half cup of boiled peas, 1 teaspoon of ginger chili paste, some cashews chopped, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. If you want less spicy, you can take it more or less according to your requirement. Half teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of amchur powder, half teaspoon of garam masala, half teaspoon of chaat masala, salt to taste and some oil. So we'll start with the preparation of the dough. For that we are going to take salt, ajwain, and then we are going to mix all the ingredients. Now we are going to add oil and then mix the ingredients. Make sure to mix the oil properly to the dough. Okay, so now we are going to add water in parts until you get a nice dough consistency. So keep on adding until you get a dough consistency. Okay, so the dough is ready and it should not be too soft or too hard. Now we are going to keep it for about 20 minutes. So cover it and let it sit for 20 minutes. Okay, so now we'll start with the filling. For that we are going to take some oil and we are going to fry our cashews in the oil. Okay, so now add cashews. As it gets slightly brown, remove them. Okay, so now to the oil we are going to add ginger chili paste. Then we will add mashed potatoes. Okay, so now we will add a boiled green peas. Okay, so now we will start adding all these spices. Salt, turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder, amchur powder, garam masala, and finally chaat masala. And now mix all the ingredients well. Okay, so make sure that you cook it properly. All these spices should be cooked properly. Okay, so now we are going to add our cashews and then combine everything well. Okay, so our filling is ready. Okay, so now we are going to let our filling cool down for some time, and make sure that you cool it down, because if you use the hot filling, it will be not made properly. So make sure that you cool it down and then you use it for filling. Okay, so until our filling is getting cool, we are going to make the rolls. For that we are going to take the dough. Okay, so now we are going to divide it into small balls like this. So divide the dough into small balls. Okay, so now take the ball, roll it and then press it. Okay, so now we are going to roll it into small circles, just like we roll the rotis, but we are going to roll it into small circles. So that much, that would be the size. Okay, so make such rounds and now we are going to start filling it. Okay, so now we are going to take a spoon size filling. Okay, so now we are going to take some water and then just apply it on the sides like that, and then take the dough and make into a potli like this. Like a Chinese money bag. Give it a shape. And there you go. Your cute tiny potli is ready. So make all the potlis just like this. So once again doing the same thing. Take some filling. Apply some water on the sides. And then just take the corners and gather them like this. Like a potli. And then make sure to press from this between in the middle so that the filling doesn't come out while frying. Look, it's so easy. Okay, so our tiny potlis are ready. Now we are going to fry them. Okay, so now we are going to heat the oil. Keep it on a medium flame. And the oil should not be too hot or too cold. It should be medium. Okay, to check the oil, we are going to put a little bit of dough. And we are going to see that the dough should not come very fast on the top. It should slowly come up. And you can see it is coming slowly up. Okay, so now we are going to drop in the potlis. And you can see they will come up very slowly. And if your oil is too hot, what will happen is your potlis will be brown from the top. But from the inside, it will not be cooked properly. So make sure the oil is not too hot. And then they will come very slowly on the top. Okay, so your potlis are going to get cooked very slowly. So it is going to take some time. Keep on stirring it in between and flipping it so that it doesn't get burned. So it's been about 5 to 7 minutes and it looks something like this. So it is going to take more of 2 to 5 minutes to get completely fried and cooked. Okay, so they are ready. So remove it on a paper towel. Okay, so the frying process took in all 10 to 15 minutes. So remove it on the paper towel so that excess oil is removed. Okay, so there you go. Your potli samosas are finally ready. And they look really cute and tiny potlis. And I think it serves as a great party snack. And you can serve it with some green chutney, or you can also serve it with ketchup or turmeric chutney. And it tastes really good. And you can see it's so easy to make. Okay, so make sure to thumbs up this video if you liked it, and do subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. Leave your comments down below. If you have any video requests, you can also leave them down below. We would love to read them. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.